Hello, this is John with John Reviews It. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to assemble the IsoAcoustics ISO430. So, you actually have two bases. One is actually meant for the bottom, and you can tell by the isolation stoppers it has. And the other one, which I'll show you momentarily, has the same isolation pads on them, but on the opposite side. How you tell the difference? If you read the owner's manual, there is one that says IsoAcoustics, and that should be facing your listening position. And it's also on the top piece. So this piece will get installed secondary. So, in the unboxing video, you saw you got 6 of these little guys. And then you also had some pegs that you can put in them to help tilt the speaker. Well, I'm gonna let you know, I have assembled the other 3 already, because I do need as much tilt as I can get, since the back of my center channel is a lot higher up than the front. I am now going to show you how to put these in the stand here. Those are nice and pushed in there. Now we're going to put the ones in the rear. So all you do is just simply put them in there, push down as hard as you can, and they will set. Next, you take the top. Alright, so I've lined up the bottom 3. I'm going to start by lining up the top 3. Boom. And just like that, you have assembled it, and it now has some tilt in the rear, so that way my center channel will lean towards me. And as you can see from the side here, you can definitely tell this side is much taller than the right side here. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.